Hey guys, here we are with another quick video. I just want to show you what was going on here. I have a customer that has a Dometic water heater, and what he said was that when he would turn this on, it would do nothing at all. It just wouldn't fire up at all. So don't mind this, that I unplugged that just to turn it off so I don't have to go inside, turn it on and off for testing purposes. So everything was hooked up, but it just wasn't working. So when I come, first thing I look at with these models are these thermal fuses. Here's his, and that was a whole issue. So I'll show you how to diagnose that. So first things first, if you have a multimeter, just set it in continuity mode where you'll hear it beeping whenever you touch the two leads. So let me just set this aside for now, and you can hear that beep. So all you have to do is unplug the thermal fuse and test both sides. There's no beep at all, which means that this is cut and the wire, the signal it's sending, cannot go through, and that's why it wouldn't even light up. So this is a safety measure that it has. If flame escapes from the tube and comes out, this cuts, this blows first so that it cuts power, the signal going to that, and it cuts gas so that it shuts off. The other safety you have are these two thermostats, which when they overheat, they pop and break the signal to cut off gas or report to the board that it's hot to shut it off, and it lets it cool down. When the tank cools down, this closes and lets signal go through. So that's what these are. They're just thermostats that keep the temperature. But this is a safety. If the flame escapes, it will burn that. So to test it, you can do this. Or another thing you can do if it's failing, let me just unplug this because it wasn't working before. His fuse did not have signal going through it. Another thing you can do if you don't have a multimeter and you want to test the thermal fuse, you can unplug it, grab any wire, any length, it doesn't matter, and basically you're just going to go to the two ends of the wires that go here and connect it so you can close the circuit. And if it fires up, we'll give it a second. You saw it fire up. That means that the issue that he was having is the thermal fuse because the signal wasn't going through. So by testing it with a wire, you can also grab a fuse, just put a fuse on there and touch this side on a regular fuse for the inside, the 12-volt system. Anything to jump these wires, or just connect these together. If it kicks on, everything else works. And it's just a bad thermal fuse. Just a thermal fuse that needs swapping. But let me tell you something else that was going on here. We saw burnt marks here where a little bit of the heat was coming out, and at first it was popping and you can see flame coming out right here at this point. It should not happen. So that just made me suspect there's something in this tube making it backfire. So all I did was put an air compressor on this end to blow out the tube, and I went ahead and blew this tube out too, which just sends junk out the top, and if you blow out the top, it'll come out the bottom. So I was just blowing air through those points to clean it out very, very well, and after that, it was working fine. Flame was staying steady, and it wasn't popping and firing up over here. So that'll let us protect this system. This is just a little chart on the outside. It didn't go through at all, so I'm not worried about anything else. But yeah, I just want to show you a quick video how you guys can test this yourself. So I'll just put this back on, close up, and we should be good. So I hope this video helps. Have a good day, and I'll see y'all next time.